Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a super smooth browsing experience for your Wix website visitors, where clicking a menu item sends them straight down to an exact spot on your page, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to link your menu items to anchors, making your site look and feel way more professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to guide your visitors easily to any important section of your page, all with just a click. Let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're in your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you haven't opened your website for editing yet, just log into your Wix account, find your website, and click Edit Site. Give it a moment to load up. Sometimes larger sites take just a bit longer. Now, once you're in design mode, look to the left-hand toolbar. From here, you'll want to select Add Elements. This menu is your toolbox for building out your pages, and it's packed with useful features. Scroll down until you find Menu and Anchor. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see an option called Anchor. This is the tool we'll use to mark spots on your page. Think of anchors as invisible bookmarks, letting you and your visitors jump straight to key sections. Click on Anchor and then drag and drop the new anchor wherever you'd like on your page. Maybe you want your menu to take people directly to a contact form, a pricing table, or an important announcement section. Just drag the anchor to sit precisely before the section you want to highlight. Take your time here. Where you drop the anchor is exactly where visitors will land when they click the menu link. Once the anchor is in place, you'll want to give it a clear and descriptive name. For example, if you're setting up a contact anchor, just type in contact as the name. This step is important because the anchor's name will show up later when you're linking menu items, so make it something memorable and relevant. Next, let's head up to your page's header. This is where your main navigation menu usually sits. Click right on your horizontal menu. When you see the options pop up, click Manage Menu. This lets you customize exactly what shows up in your navigation bar. Now click Add Menu Item. You'll see a few choices about what kind of item it can be. For our purpose, select Anchor. The site will then ask which page. You'll want to pick the current page you're working on, the one where you just added the anchor. After that, it'll ask, we're on page, and you should see the anchor name you just created. Choose it from the list. This is where naming your anchor clearly comes in handy. Select it, and now when someone clicks this menu item, they'll jump straight to that anchored section. Once that's all set up, simply hit Done. The hard part's over, but before you celebrate, let's test how everything works. Click Preview at the top right of the editor. This switches you to a visitor's view of your site, so you can try out the menu item you just created. Click it and make sure it scrolls you right to the anchor spot. If not, double-check that your anchor is in the right position and that you've chosen the right page and anchor name in the previous steps. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to link your Wix menu items to anchors. It's a game changer for user experience and makes your site feel super polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, drop a comment below with any questions or if you want more tips like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow website tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.